Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Assist. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn on night mode. This way, for all you night owls that stay up late and look at your phone, maybe you're going through TikTok, whatnot, what you're going to want to do is turn on the night mode so it doesn't hurt, the blue light doesn't hurt your eyes and it helps you go to sleep. It's been proven that blue light will actually make you give you insomnia. So go ahead and swipe down on top. Then we're gonna go and hit this. Right now it's on the very highest of brightness. Sometimes lowering the brightness will help, but go ahead and hold that down and you'll see night shift. All right, so turn that on and then you can actually set the time. So it defaults at 7 a.m. So as you can see, it turns kind of like a yellowish hue. Now this is to protect your eyes from the blue light. So let me go ahead and show you again. So once I scroll down, on the right side only, not on the left side, okay? So I'll show you on the left side lock screen, on the right side. Then I'm gonna go ahead and push that, and then I'm gonna turn it on. If I hold it down, and the schedule no longer shows up, then we're gonna have to go manually and we're gonna have to go to settings. Then we're gonna wanna go display and brightness. Then we can go to night shift right here, and then you can create the schedule that you want. So right now it's 10 to 7 a.m. and it's night shift. It's this yellowish hue to help protect your eyes and take away the blue light. You can make it more warm or light. And you could change the time right here. So then go ahead and mess around with that. But that's pretty much it. All right, I hope this helps for all you night owls. And if it does, please like or comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.